It's Budget Babe here. If you're new here, my name is Airie. I'm on a zero-based budget to becoming debt-free while I build my savings and still have fun in life. So if this is something that you're interested in, then stay tuned. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today, you guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Woo! I kind of like opened it a little bit though, so yeah, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. And then also I'll be showing you guys a little bit of something. So yeah, here we go. So I got this package from the Aesthetic Dollar, one of my favorite shops. It's a new binder! I'm so excited. This is so pretty, y'all. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love this color. I love how it's in between the two colors right here. This is going to be, you guys, my self-love binder. Self-care. I have to drink my water. I've been so excited about this. Having a binder because I feel like I've been slacking a little bit, but also I can get back to the things I enjoy. So let's go ahead and set this up. You guys are gonna be a part of how I set this up. Oh, I love this. So my favorite color is, like, accent color is gold. Like, I just love gold. So anything with gold, I'm like, huh. I also made these envelopes, y'all. Some of them look a little dusty, but that's just because the printer was messing up. But I had to do what I had to do. So let's just go ahead and set this up. So we're gonna first go from back to front. I'm going to put, yeah, I feel like something is amiss. I'll put miscellaneous in the back. I'm gonna put solo date. Then we're going to put treat myself. And then we're going to put, let's see, sorry y'all. I try to put from the most important in the front. So I'll put this in the front. I'll put designer. Then lashes. Actually, no, I'll put spa. Then lashes. Then hair. Then nails. And self-care. I don't know why I did self-care. Okay. So y'all, these are my new envelopes. I'll have to update them later because my printer was leaking out. So I'll have to redo these eventually. But for now, just for the sake of the video and just being able to be a little bit more organized, this is what I will be doing. Now I also want to add a few things from this one to here too, which I forgot to make an envelope for. So we're going to put, for now we'll put this stuff in the back. Dental, we're gonna put this in here. This is a trip that I want to do for my well-being. And then we're also going to take this one out and then this one out. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm going to put I actually really don't need this envelope because I feel like this is self-explanatory. I don't know why this is in here. I'm just gonna use this as toiletries. How about that? Okay, so for now, this is going to go in the small one. And where we're at, we have 150. I think it's 220. I'm aiming for 220. So basically $70 more. Brilliant! Brilliant! And then I'm just gonna put this in here. I might not need this because I guess I put in categories, but we'll just keep that just in case. And then something on that. Just in case I change my mind. Okay, so this is set up. Now to introduce you guys to some new things that I'm excited about. Let me sip my water first. So maybe actually I should run through these first. Well, these are pretty self-explanatory. So my nails, hair, lashes, spa. Designer is for designer goods. I'm gonna start buying designer things because that's just my life. Style choice. Responsibly though, responsibly. And then treat myself. This is probably more so for food. And then solo date is to take myself out. So, oh, these are so nice, guys. I love solo dates. And miscellaneous is just for whatever. So now to start y'all off, guess what I got? I got some incoming dashboards. So I created these. So these, right now I am testing out things right now. So I'm going to be releasing these soon. I created these myself. This one says, "Good morning, beautiful. A new day to become who you want to be. Imagine the woman you want to be. Think of her daily life, her habits and routines. Think of her daily life, what her habits and routines would be. Start showing up to those habits and routines. Start building them step by step, day by day. You don't become her like magic. You build her. Start building." And then this one is, "Self-care is not selfish. Self-care is never a selfish act. It is a simply good stewardship of the only gift I have, the gift I was put on earth to offer others." And then these are just some other ones, neutral style. So these are just testers. Luxury, the state of great comfort and extravagant living. You decide what's luxurious. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to put this here. I love that, y'all. And then I also created this dashboard with my initial. Yeah, so this was supposed to be a little bit smaller. Okay, so you guys can leave your comments below because this is what I want to discuss. So this is probably true to the A6 size right here. This, however, is true to the envelope size. So some people don't like the extra, like the gap. So that's why I also did this size. So let me know what size you guys would actually like on here. I'm like that, so I need like everything to be like matchy. So I don't know if anyone else is like that, but I'm like that. So just let me know if you guys have a preference. Otherwise, I can just do A6 size, and that way you guys can just use this for other things besides budgeting. And then yeah, so this is what it is for this binder. I'm really excited to stuff this. You guys will see this in my next video. My next video will be a cash stuffing. And yeah, so this is the setup for this new one. This was a quick video, but I was told that this is something that people would like to see, the unboxing, and then, yeah. But anyway, outside of this, if you are interested in having some of these thumbnails and things, thumbnails. Sorry, y'all. Dashboards. I hope I haven't been saying thumbnails this whole time. I'm so sorry if I have. But if you're interested in these dashboards, go ahead and sign up with the link below. And again, I will share with you guys what I will be releasing soon. So it is self-care, neutral style. This one, 24. You, this luxury, and good morning, beautiful. So just let me know. And again, I'll have a link below that you can click, and all you have to do is enter your email, and then I will let you guys, the first 25 people to sign up, I will let you guys know first when these launch before I even post on my YouTube channel. So you'll have access to it for a day before everybody else will have access to it. I'm not sure when I will be doing this, so just stay tuned. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys more. This is just a snippet, so I hope you guys like this. Okay, y'all, so thank you all for watching this video. I hope you liked it. It was quick and to the point, and I'm really excited. Again, don't forget to sign up with the link below, and we will be getting this on the road. Don't forget to also let me know if you like the actual A6 size or if you like the size of the envelopes, which is this. So just let me know. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.